Hey guys, this is Elias with the WPL import team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export jet engine custom fields to a Google Sheets file using Zapier and WPL export. Now to get started we will need an export, and luckily I have one ready here. Now in today's video we're not going to set up the export from scratch. We're going to use this one, so I'm going to click here on edit template so you can see what they have. And this is a list of properties, and all of these properties have different fields. Let me preview here so you can see, right? So we have date first listed, name of the property, description, availability. Then we have listing type, price, square feet, gallery with a bunch of images URLs. Then we have the amenities, bedrooms. This is a jet engine repeater field. Why don't I actually show you guys how this actually looks? Oh, we can better yet use one of these that's already with some data. So these are all of the fields we just went through. We have a couple of simple text fields. This is a date picker field, select fields, checkbox fields, number, radio, and here is the jet engine repeater. Now this jet engine repeater has 3 subfields, and then here in this media tab we have a jet engine gallery and a media field, and 4 more simple text fields. Now this is what we're going to export here. Right? And you can see that the rooms element is divided into 3 columns, which are the 3 subfields of the jet engine repeater. So that's how WPL export will handle that. And then we have the other fields. So there you have it. This is the data we have today. So let me just go back here and jump straight into Zapier. Now, for this to work, we need a Google Sheets file, an existing Google Sheet file, actually. So I have created this one that's called Jet Engine Export. And when I go here to Zapier, I'm going to click on the Create button, and then I'm going to choose SAPs. Right, so every new SAP will have this format by default. So we're going to need a trigger and an action. Now, let's click here on trigger. And the trigger we want is WP all export. All right. Now for the event of this trigger, we're going to choose new export file. Right. Then let's click continue. Let's choose an account, and I have my connection ready here. But if you guys want to know how to set this up from the beginning, just check out the other videos in our channel or go to our website at wplimport.com. It's very simple. Just go here to all export settings, and here is the API key you will need. Besides from that, the only thing you need is the website's URL, and you're good to go. Now, since this is ready, I'm going to click continue and test or trigger. All right, so Zapier has found this data. This is the website URL, the export ID, the export name, the file type, the post type that's going to be exported, and here is our export files data. Now all of this is looking good, so I'm going to click on the continue with the selected record button, and then for the action I'm going to choose Google Drive. Now the event of this action, it's going to be replace a file, which is down here, and let's say continue, and we need to sign in to Google here and authorize the connection between Zapier and Google Drive. So if you haven't done that, just click on the button, a window will pop out, and well, just sign in with your Google Drive account, and that should be it, right? It's very simple. Now let's click continue. Now here for the action, we're gonna need the drive, so I'm gonna choose my Google Drive. Now if you have some custom folder where you have stored your Google Sheets file, you will choose that here. In my case, it's not required because it's in the main Google Drive folder, right? Then for the file to replace, we're going to choose, well, in my case, I'm going to choose this one, but in your case, it may be different, right? Then right here, file. This is what's going to be coming from WPL export. So I'm going to choose export file, all right? Then convert to document. I'm going to say true. For the file name, you can use whatever works for you, but in my case, I'm going to choose the same file name I have here, Jet Engine Export. All right, and there you go. That's it, guys. Now let's click continue and test our action. All right, so that's working. Lastly, let's give this a name, and this is going to be called Jet Engine Export 2. All right, and lastly, let's just publish our SAP. Alright guys, so with this our SAP is ready, which means that once we run our export, WPL export will send that data through Zapier to Google Sheets. So let's do that. Go here to manage export and run our export. Now this is gonna be very quick because we don't have that much data. So let's just give it a few seconds. And there you go, we're ready. Now, let's go here to Google Sheets and wait our data to come in. And wait for our data, which should happen any second now. And here it is. Okay, so that's it. Here's our data. Here are all 4 fields. Date first listed, property name, description, availability, and all of the other things we have in our export template are here in Google Sheets now. So there you have it guys, it's that easy to export Jet Engine fields to Google Sheets using Zapier and WPL Export. Now if you want to know more about how to import or export these kinds of data, or if maybe you're using metabox or ACF to handle your custom fields, well, you can import and export that data too with WPL Import and WPL Export. So be sure to check out the other videos in our channel and check out our website at wplimport.com. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.